So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the clips from Premiere Pro timeline in the folders easily. Now, in order to do it, first of all, select the video clip that on from the timeline that you want to find in the folder. Now, for example, if I selected this one, just simply right click over there, and once you do it, here you'll see this option of reveal in project right there. Now just simply tap over there, and once you do it, you'll notice that that particular video clip is highlighted in this particular folder of project. So you don't need to manually find the files. You can do it with anyone you want. Just simply right click over there, scroll down till the last, and click on this option of reveal in project. It will directly redirect you to uh, that particular video clip. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.